Hey everyone, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to set up recurring crypto purchases on Coinbase. So this is going to be particularly useful for anyone who wants to start buying crypto on Coinbase, but doesn't want to actually have to manually purchase it weekly, monthly, or even daily in some cases. So be sure to stick around everyone. There's not a lot of steps involved in here, but let's go ahead and get started. Now, if you haven't installed the Coinbase app just yet, make sure to use my link down below and we'll each get $20 once you do sign up. But once you have that installed, go ahead and click on Coinbase and let's go ahead and access it. So from this page here, you're going to see all your assets. On the bottom left hand side, you're going to see this button that says buy and sell. So go ahead and click on that and then click on buy. Now this is where you're going to select the asset to buy. So on Coinbase, there is a lot of assets that you can actually go ahead and buy. For our example, we're just going to choose Bitcoin. And then from this page, you're going to enter the amount of Bitcoin that you want to actually purchase. So for our example, we're going to enter 20 US dollars. Now this is the really important step, everyone. On the upper right hand side, you want to click on this toggle button that says one-time order. And then you're going to see three options here. You have order types, one-time order, limit order, and recurring buy. We're just going to click on recurring buy. So from this page here, you can choose your frequency. So you can choose daily, weekly, 1st and 15th of the month, or even monthly. We're just going to click on monthly. So right now what we've got going on is that we're going to be purchasing Bitcoin, all right, monthly at 20 USD, paid with our checkings account. Click on review order. So this page here is basically a review of everything that you've selected. So you just got to make sure that this is correct, and then afterwards click on place order. So that is how to set up recurring crypto purchases on Coinbase, everyone. If you guys know of a better, easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.